A woman should be two things: who and what she wants, and she overcame everything that was meant to destroy her. And being a woman should not be your supreme achievement and not your deepest fear. Celebrate womanhood, fuel yourself with confidence, and let that fuel empower you to soar towards your dreams.
It's an absolute honor to have all of you ladies here, and thank you to Dash and her team for having events like this to make you guys know how special you are. You know, in a country that we live in times that we live in, I urge you all to look in the mirror and look at what you do in dealerships. Look at what you do in our dealership at East Rand, in the dealerships all over the place, all over the country, and the importance of what ladies do in our businesses. You know, and it's an absolute honor to honor you guys and to say thank you for what you do. Women abuse is big in our country. There's very little respect from a lot of our men for women, and I urge you guys to stand up and talk. Don't leave it. You've got women like this to talk to, women like that can stand by you and guide you. Don't accept it. Stand up today and say no to hear no more, and make a change. If you don't make the change won't just happen. It's got to come from women like you in the room.
Hi, my name is Zintle Gorgeous Mpulu, and I am fearless because I'm beautiful, I'm strong, I'm wise, I like to think.
My name is Larato Sokhonyane. I am strong because, firstly, when I came into the space where it was mostly male dominated, I did not believe in myself. I had to work myself up to where I am today. So, to the ladies out here who are sitting here, forget who is looking at you. Forget about where you are coming from. Focus on your future. The future is very bright for us ladies. And I being strong means that, or meant for me then, that I had to overshadow the looking down on myself, the negativity that I used to have about myself, and forgetting that I do not have a certain qualification to get me to where I am. It doesn't mean that I should not go get that qualification, but it means that, or it meant that, now I'm in the space, hello, I'm here, look out for me, and now I'm going to get even more. So yeah, I'm strong like that.
Hi everyone, my name is Sia. And my word is determined, right? So I'm determined because I have, like most of us here, have worked my way from nowhere. I finished my matric in 2009, and I had to immediately get a job from then. I didn't get an opportunity to further my studies. So with my determination, I've been able to, afford a place to stay on my own, afford to support my kids, and I'm still quite determined to achieve a lot more other goals. So that makes me very determined. Thank you.
My name is Lucia, and I am beautiful because I don't actually take what people say about me to actually define me. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. I believe that I'm capable to do anything. I'm capable to overcome anything that I think of, Because I actually motivate myself in most cases because I've been through a lot in my whole life. So that's why I say today that I'm beautiful.
My name is Joey van der Merwe. I'm confident because I'm in a male-dominant industry. I'm a sales manager. All my salespeople, majority of them are males as well. Sales, the DP is a male. All the people work, well, except the admin is all females, but it's definitely a male-dominated dealership I'm at. People respect me, I assume. My fellow Kia dealers are all male sales managers, male DPs, so we're not a lot of women. I think we're only 3 in the region, and I'm confident that I can do the work, and I believe that if I'm confident, people working under me will have the same confidence. Thank you.
My name is Nasipa Sochanja. I grew up in Eastern Cape, and my mother left me when I was 9 years. It was just me and my twin sister because all of our siblings were in Johannesburg. And we used to stay with our stepmothers. And after I left, I lost my twin. I decided to take her kids. I didn't have a kid that time, but because of the experience I had with the stepmothers, I told myself that I will be there for the kids because I'm their mother, as I am now. When she left, as the first one was 4 years, the second one was turning 2, and now the second one is 7 years. The firstborn is turning 10 next month, and I think I'm doing very well in raising them. And I am showing them respect. I am teaching them respect. I want them to go to school because that's their mother's dream. She used to say, I want them to study for me. So I'm always telling them that you need to go to school. But I'm glad they're doing very well. They're getting certificates like nobody's business. But it's all because of me.
I am worthy because I know I can, and I am somebody. Maybe not to everybody, but I know who I am and I know where I'm going to. That's why I'm worthy.
Motivated because I stay on my tracks. I forgive myself when I make a mistake, when I let people down, when I talk too much, which I don't, by the way. But when I do, I forgive myself. I forgive myself when I make a mistake, when I fail, because I know it's not the end and it's a chance to start again. I do not let the distance between where I am and where I want to be to terrify me, but to motivate me. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Lina. I am unique. I grew up in an environment where everybody said to me, I will never make it. And today I'm standing as a leader, I'm standing as a mom, I'm standing as a warrior. I am unique.
Hi there, good afternoon people. My name is Diru and I've been working for the motor industry for 10 years. I've come across variety of people, good people, bad people, any way you look at it, but I'm capable of people come across and because of my stuttering, I push myself harder and I try to be quiet, but it doesn't work. I'm very talkative and I know the motor industry is awesome, the people is lovely, and the work that I do, I know that I'm good at it. So I thank you for your time and take care.
So we've had a really good afternoon and I'm really proud of all the ladies today. It's taken a lot of courage to stand up and talk about some of the experiences. Even just to stand up and talk about anything is hard when there's a group of people around. So well done to the girls. We've had a really good time listening to stories, building up the ladies and showing respect to all the ladies in the dealership. So yes, well done, and thank you to Desh and her team for all that you do for women in motoring and women in general. Thank you.